Hey everyone, today I'm breaking down the essential components of group therapy, especially for those prepping for the National Counselor Examination, or the NCE. Whether you're a counseling student or just curious, stick around. This is Group Therapy 101. First off, let's talk about the types of groups. You've got therapy groups, which focus on treating emotional and psychological issues. Then there are support groups, aimed at providing emotional and social support for specific problems. Psychoeducational groups are more about education and skill development, while task groups focus on achieving specific goals, like in workplace settings. Now let's dive into group development. A group typically goes through several stages. The first stage is forming, where members get to know each other. It's all about first impressions and establishing roles. Next is storming. This is where conflicts often arise as members push boundaries and struggle for positions. It can be a turbulent phase, but it's crucial for growth. Then comes norming. Here the group starts to settle down. Members establish norms and a sense of cohesion begins to develop. After that, we have performing. At this stage, the group works effectively towards achieving its goals. Finally, there's adjourning or termination. This is when the group disbands, having accomplished its objectives. Let's not forget the importance of the group's length and size. Ideal group size usually ranges from 6 to 12 members. This allows for diverse interaction while still being manageable. As for length, group sessions typically last between 1 to 2 hours. The overall duration of the group can vary from a few weeks to several months depending on the goals and type of group. Another essential component is the role of co-facilitators. Having more than one facilitator can be incredibly beneficial. It allows for shared responsibilities and provides different perspectives. Co-facilitators can support each other and help manage group dynamics more effectively. Now let's circle back to the termination of the group. This phase is often overlooked but is highly significant. Proper termination includes summarizing what the group has achieved, discussing feelings about the group ending, and preparing members for post-group life. Referrals will be made at this time if needed. It's essential to make this transition smooth to ensure members carry forward the benefits gained from the group. So, to recap, understand the types of groups and their purposes. Know the stages of group development from forming to termination. Keep in mind the ideal group size and length for effective sessions. And don't underestimate the power of co-facilitators and a well-thought-out termination phase. Prepping for the NCE is a big task, but grasping these core components of group therapy will definitely give you a solid foundation. Thanks for tuning in, and good luck with your studies. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.